G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the Currency Outlook for Finance News Network for Thursday the 30th of August. Well, the markets have been fairly nondescript today, reasonably quiet and range bound as they wait for Bernanke at Jackson Hole on Friday. Until then, don't really expect too much to happen. Today's data was slightly mixed, but reasonably supportive for the dollar. The US GDP came in as expected. Pending home sales were slightly stronger, and the beige book was mildly supportive too. So the dollar gained a little bit of ground, but nothing very exciting. We've got the euro at 125.30, dollar yen's at 78 3/4 at the top end of its recent range. Dollar Swiss at 95.80 and cable at 158.30. Elsewhere, we've got the Aussie and the Kiwi. They both look a little bit heavy still. They haven't really done an awful lot. Actually, the Aussie had a spike up to 104, 103.98 overnight, but didn't last up there very long. And it's back really to the bottom end of the range. It's at 103.5 at the moment. And the Kiwi's a little bit heavy, but just sitting above support at 80, the figure. Further talk of the slowing Chinese economy and the mining boom having peaked has reignited in the media. Talk of a rate cut down the track, and I see a couple of the banks are calling for rate cuts further out. So that's going to keep the pressure on the Aussie, but I don't really see it going too far today, or indeed ahead of anything that Bernanke might say before Friday. Today we've got German unemployment, and then later on US personal consumption data. I don't think they're going to move the market a great deal, but and the euro looks to me as though it's 125, 126 again. Maybe a slight bit of pressure to the downside, but nothing major. Same applies to the Aussie and the Kiwi. That's really about it today. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook, though, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that, as usual, any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only, not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's about it. Have a very good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.